Okay, this is gonna be a tire change. It's on the side of the road. It's not that busy, so I should be safe to change the tire. So let's see what happens. Hey, how you doing? So they asked me to take 3 pictures before and 3 after. Can you pop the hood for trunk for me? No, I didn't look at it. I'm just trying to get it on. I'm trying to get this one on so we can get you to safety to get out this street for somebody to hit me. You got a hole right there. So you probably could get it patched. So yeah, just take it to the tire shop. They'll take care of you. No problem. Glad to help you. I just gotta get 3 more pictures. I don't know, you probably should ask the tire shop that. All I do is change tires. I'm not a tire expert, so I just saw it was a hole there, because we could visibly see that, but you can ask your tire, you know, your tire guy, whoever you go to do your tires. Yeah, they're no better than me. All right, you have a good day. Be safe, okay? Thank you. Okay, even though this wasn't a freeway call, it was still kind of like a freeway call, because you know, they just pulled over on the side of the road, had it flat, when, you know, they could have pulled over into a parking lot. It's a parking lot closer, but for whatever reason, people get nervous and they just pull over the fastest place they can. So, you know, people don't be knowing what to do. So anyway, and then they want to ask you a bunch of questions. Look, I'm not trying to get hit on the side of the street. I changed the tire, so you gotta, you know, go somewhere else and get the tire checked out. I'm not a tire expert. I just a tire changer. That's it. You know, but I'm not trying to be mean, but I mean, look, when we're in a dangerous position, I'm not really trying to talk to you that long and give you no information. I'm trying to get back home safe to my family. So we got a couple of calls lined up. Let's go to the next one.